Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I will provide the link in the description. From there you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the Sutherland and they are hiring for international email and chat process, and the location in which they are hiring in Mumbai. Mumbai location is there, and 0 to 5 years of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers can be also apply for the job. And here you can see the highlights. So you must be verbal and written communication skills in English, have problem solving skills, attitude, familiar with the ticket or travel industry processes will be the plus point. Then handling customer queries related to refund, then baggage mismatches and loss of luggage, respond via email or chat, maintain high quality communication standards, achieve daily resolution targets, and you will get the travel allowances as well. Around 3,500 travel allowance you will get per month. So the location is here. Work from office will be there at Navi Mumbai. There will be the 9-hour shift between 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and then 4:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. So this kind of shifts will be there, and working days will be 5 days. Okay, Saturdays and Sundays will be week offs, and the interview process will be, there will be the HR screening. Then next we have operations round. Then there is the SHL assessment. Typing test will be there around 25 word per minute with 85% accuracy, and there will be the documentation and plus offer. Okay, so this much will be there. The interview process will be there. So if you have this kind of skill set, then you can apply for the job. Hiring is conducted by the TCS. They are hiring for BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring for 2025 and 2026. And registration is open now, and registration end date is 11th of January 2026. It will be the Sunday. So before this you can apply for the job. The hiring process will be here. So hiring process for this BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring for 2025 and 2026 batches. So first there will be the sign up, then verification as per the Aadhaar. Okay, so it's a important, okay, and mandatory update your correct details. Okay, then next is the registration and apply for this TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring process. Okay, then fourth step will be the select the mode of the test in center. Okay, so you have to choose the center, and then according to the center you have to go to that particular center and you have to give the test. Okay, fifth step will be to confirm your status. You can check your or track your application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. So as you apply for the drive, so this status will be there, applied for drive. So this kind of status you must have. And yes, this is all about the process. Okay, so eligible, so test eligibility must be 3 years of full-time graduates from BCA, BSc, computer IT, then maths, data science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, cyber security, then biochemistry must be there. Then be vocal, BSIT from 2025 and 2026 batch are eligible. Then minimum aggregate percentage must be 50% in all your academic career. Okay, in 10th, 12th or even diploma and graduate including. No backlog must be there for 2025 and 2026 both. Okay, there must no gap. Okay, full-time course will be there. Okay, it's considered only, and your age must be this, and experience level will be entry level requirement. So this is for freshers only. Okay, so this is all about this drive. So if you have this kind of skill set and if you are eligible, then you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the Deloitte, and they are hiring as payroll data maintenance as associate analyst, and the location in which they are hiring is Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, and this is the position summary or the job summary, you can say. Then coming up to the qualifications are required. So any graduate can be apply for the job, but there will be the advantage for the finance people. Okay, then next is the 0 to 2 years of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers also apply for the job. Then basic to advanced level of Excel skills, have the knowledge of SAP HR system and accounting packages, in-depth experience with payroll process activities, analyst and management reporting. Okay. Then good understanding of business terminologies, business operations and financial policies, and internal control will be there. Integrity and high ethical standards and commitment to data privacy will be there. Then ability to work in flexible, high pressure and client driven work environment will be there. Basic word processing and spreadsheet skills required. Okay, and your typing skills must be 45 to 50 word per minute with data entry capabilities of 7000 ksph with 5% or less errors. Okay, so these are there, and good communication skills you must have. So these kind of requirements are there. So if you have this kind of skill set, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the IBM, and they are hiring as associate system engineer, and these are the location in which they are hiring for this role. Okay, and freshers can be also apply for the job. So the required education is required, like a bachelor's degree you must have, and here are the skills are required. So programming will be Java will be preferable, C++, Python, Node.js. Then have knowledge of SDLC life cycle concepts. No active backlog must be there. This is entry level of campus hiring position. The candidate must have obtained their degree before the starting of the employment of IBM, and the pass out candidate must be 2025 batch only. BE, Tech in computer science, all CS branches like CSC, AIML, DS, cloud computing, big data analysis, and IoT, robotics, AI, cybersecurity, blockchain will be eligible for this role, and IT related branches with 6 CGPA or 60% of criteria is there. Okay, and you must have good communication skills in written and spoken both. Okay, so this kind of skill set you must have. So if you have, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Cognizant. They are hiring as freshers, and the location in which they are hiring is Chennai. This is the opportunity for the freshers from 2024 and 2025 with the knowledge or the certifications in digital marketing. Okay, and the work will be in rotational shifts. Okay, in Chennai only, and 0 years of experience can be also apply for the job. That means freshers also can apply for the job. Okay, so if you have done any certifications in digital marketing, so it will be the plus point. And that's all for this. This is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.